today is we had some negligent roofers came up here, did a quick hot mop on some of the spaces, and really careless. They broke the drain line, which I had to replace here, and simply put a 5-gallon bucket under the drain, thinking that was going to solve the problem. Well, it took less than a day for that 5-gallon bucket to fill up and start pulling water on the roof. Right where this client already repaired her roof and some drywall, it removed all the support braces off of her rigid ductwork, causing it to sag, and thought it'd be a good idea to set it on bricks and have that weak point also hold up the duct on the far end. The client's had enough. She wants it done right. Back out here. It's close to. You can click up there when I'm done.